Hello, am I audible? Yeah, so we will be starting it now. Hi guys, basically I'm Shivendra Malik, community manager of Eternity. So we have few leads today. The leads will be on, as you can see, the hashtags like it related to full stack development, blockchain development, Ola, Uber. So many of you already know that like we give leads and first of all we'll be talking about like what is the lead about. Along with that, we will be sharing the lead number, right? So here you can see, for example, that this is like lead number 349, right? So the requirement is like they're looking for marketing manager. So if you have somebody like who is into marketing management, then you will have to comment down below that I need lead number 349, right? If you have somebody like, who is into marketing management, then you will have to comment down below that I need lead number 349, right? Hello everyone. Sorry, some trouble was happening. Like I'm managing like near about two, three devices, so that's why the problem is happening. So yeah, hi Akanksha, hi Nitin, hi Sonali. So let's start. Like this is like lead number 349. Okay, so this is like they're looking for like experienced marketing manager that have promoted SaaS applications in the past. So must have experience in SEO, social marketing, experience in email marketing. Minimum 5 years of experience is required. Okay, so if you have somebody like that, you can comment down below that I need lead number 349. Okay, hi Deep. Next lead is like lead number 350. So they are looking for Android developer. You can comment down below 350 if you have Android developer. Next lead is like lead number 351. They're looking for Flutter developer for iOS Firebase. So if you have something like Flutter development with iOS Firebase, you can comment down below that I need lead number 351. Hi Mahesh. So next lead is like lead number 352. So that is like for job. They're looking for full-time Ruby on Rails developers. Experience needed is like 2 to 6 years. Salary, there is no bar for that. Location is like Pune or remote as of now. So you can comment down below. I need lead number 352. Next lead is like lead number 353. This is also job. So they are looking for full-time Python developer. So 2 to 6 years of experience is needed. Salary again there is no bar, and location is again like Pune or remote as of now. Next lead is like lead number 354. So they're looking for Angular developer for full time. So if you have Angular developer in your team, then you can comment down below. In your team, or you can do it, then you can comment down below. I need lead number 354. Next lead is like lead number 355. So they are looking for crypto ICO and NFT expert or company that have experience on it for a short consultation that can grow into a project. So if you have something like that, like crypto ICO and NFT expert, then you can comment down below. I need a lead number 355. Next lead is like lead number 356. They are looking for a website like CryptoTab. So you can check it like how it is like CryptoTab, and if you can develop something like that, you can comment down below that I need lead number 356. Next lead is like lead number 357. So they are looking for a Flutter developer. Next lead is lead number 358. So they're looking for a needed cricket application in which live commentary or live updates player are visualized. DM me if uh, anyone available don't want to customize. Needed urgently if any. So okay, send demo. So they're looking for some cricket application with live commentary, and they want something like if you have ready-made. So you can comment down below that lead number 358. Next lead is lead number 359. So they're looking for coordinator developer from India. So you can comment down below that I need lead number 359. Next lead is like lead number 360. So they're looking for touch POS restaurant management software. So desktop based billing and accounting, KOT, reci- recipe management, inventory management, waiter and captain management, food delivery app integration like Zomato, Swiggy, etc. So if you have something like that like touch POS restaurant management software, you can comment down below that I need lead number 360. Next lead is like lead number 361. They're looking for an academy clone. So an academy clone. Yeah. So next lead is like lead number 362. They're looking for like SEO expert and web developer. Experience is like minimum 3 years. Work from office. Gurgaon location is mandatory. So you can comment down below like lead number 362 if you're from Gurgaon or is willing to shift to Gurgaon. Akanksha, I think like you will be getting the lead in your Facebook like messages, but you will have to check your others folder. So lead number 363, they are looking for coordinator expert. So lead number 364, they are looking for Dream 11 urgent, and like they are looking for website and app. They want to see the demo. So something like Dream 11 clone. Next lead is like lead number 365. I need full-time Java developer. Experience required is 3 years minimum. I have a job for top 10 experienced developer. Okay, so 4 years full-time jobs. 4 years full-time jobs. Okay, little bit confusing, like 4 years. Next lead is like lead number 366. They're looking for contractor, freelancer for .NET full stack developers. Like Hyderabad work from home. We currently have below openings. Only immediate joiners who can join immediate within 10 days can apply. So these are the four requirements. Lead number 366 have four requirements. So number one is like minimum 6 years of experience in .NET framework. Number two is like minimum 5 years of experience in Bootstrap, HTML5, CSS3. Number three is like hands-on experience in JavaScript, jQuery. Number four is like minimum 1 year of experience in Angular 4. So these are the four different openings they have. So if either of that or like if either of that you feel like, you can comment down below like I need lead number 366. Next lead is like lead number 367. So they're looking for Ola or Uber type application with admin panel. So they're looking for a clone. Next lead is like lead number 368. They're looking for blockchain developer. So if you have blockchain developer, comment down below. I need lead number 368. Next lead is like lead number 367. They're looking for Ola Uber type application with admin panel clone. Okay, so you can comment down below 367. So lead number 368 is like I need blockchain developer. This is something like okay, mistake has happened. 69. So lead number 369 is like they're looking for freelancers or people who are interested to work on salary basis. So tech stack is like full stack developer. Salary is like 30 to 70,000. Experience required is 1.5 years to 2.5 years. Work location is like remote. Yeah. So you can comment down below like I need lead number 36. Next lead is like lead number 370. So they need Flutter backend developer. So this is the last lead we have, the lead number 370. We're looking for Flutter backend developer. Thank you guys. And we have this LinkedIn account. So please join the LinkedIn also. Like LinkedIn profile is like URL is like linkedin.com/company/ eternitech hyphen IT hyphen leads. So please join our LinkedIn account also. And don't forget to obviously add this Facebook group because mostly you are getting these leads from Facebook groups, right? Thank you. Thanks everyone. Bye bye. See you.